we are going to understand loan pre-closure related options. So I searched customer and I'm creating a loan 10 amount 10,000 2% monthly. I'm keeping flat interest and let's say for 12 months. I click save. Loan 50 is created. I search loan 50. Okay. Now installment tracker, we can see the installment. Now what I want to do, customer has paid, let's say first installment, I receive this. Okay. Now if I search loan 50 again, I will come to know that the balance principal is this much, 9167, interest balance and fees 0. Okay. So now if I try to pre-close, let's say customer is going to pay this much and I want to close this loan. So first thing, if I click here, it will not allow me to pre-close because you need to have whatever amount you have given to customer, at least you need to recover that much. Let's say this loan is going in loss and now you want to pre-close. So instead of using this receive and pre-close, you can use waive off and pre-close button. Okay. So I search loan 50 and now I click waive off and pre-close. What it will tell, are you sure to waive off this principal amount? So if you are not recovering the principal part, then you have to use waive off and pre-close. And if I click yes, then this loan will be closed. This is marked green. And if we see the transaction, or in fact installment tracker, this is what the installment, it will mark it as recovered as waived off. So it will get added as a waive off. Okay. Now this is one option. Okay. Now we'll understand in what scenario we have to use receive and pre-close. Okay. So let me create one loan. Same scenario. I click save. Loan 51 is created. Now customer has paid first installment. I received it. Okay, so we are back on the same scenario. Now in this case, if I search loan number 51, okay, now I want to pre-close this loan. Okay, but pre-close knowing the fact that customer is going to pay me this much amount at some part of interest. Now how much it is based on whatever discussion you have with the borrower. Let's say you decide that you are going to get, so total amount uh, you need to recover this much amount from customer in 12 months. But now customer says that okay, I'm ready to pay you 10,000, let's close this loan. So you enter 10,000 here, and now system may allow you to pre-close because your principal balance is this much and customer is paying 10,000. So whatever remaining amount, it will go in interest component. Okay, so I'm going to click receive and pre-close now. Okay, and I will say yes. In this case, loan is closed, but whatever 10,000 is paid, let's understand what happened to that. So out of this 10,000, your full principal is recovered first, and remaining part is adjusted towards interest part. Okay, and as a transaction, you can see that 10,000 received, and nothing is waived off here. Okay, so in that case, you can use receive and pre-close. Now let's try to understand one more scenario. When you have fees outstanding, what will happen in that case? Okay, so I'm going to add same scenario again. I should have created a product scheme, but that's fine because loan creation is very quick here. I'm searching this loan. Okay, and now what I want to do, I'm again receiving the first installment, and let's try to understand here 30th May. So I'm going to add one uh, penalty, let's say late fee on 30th May. Okay, let's say 100. on 30th May. Okay, I have added it. So I search loan 52. I have 100 rupees fees here now. Okay, and the next installment I have to recover. Oh, uh, it is added in the last installment because I have that setting created actually. Okay, so what I can do is, let me do one thing. Fees penalty. Let me delete this and let me check the installment. It's removed from here. Now let me do one thing now. Master setup setting and add penalty at last. Let me make it no. So the benefit of this is penalty will get added to the closest installment. So now I go here and add penalty of 100 for 30th May. And if I search loan, the penalty 100, it is added here now. Okay, and that's why installment is also increased by 100. Now what will happen, customer this time will say that I'm going to pay 10,000 and let's settle this loan. Okay, so knowing the fact that 9167 is basically a principal amount. Okay, so this time what will happen, system will first recover principal, because when you receive the normal installment, system will recover the fees, interest, and then principal in that order. But if you have to settle the loan or pre-close the loan, in that case, first system will recover whatever capital amount that you have given to borrower. So system will recover that. Then the second priority is given to fees, and the third priority to interest. So let's try to understand this scenario perfectly. What I'll do. So 9167 plus 100, that is 9267 plus, so 9267. So I'm going to add 9300. Okay. Receive and pre-close. Yes. So let's understand installment. So here you can see 100 here fees, 33 here, and principal here. That's how it is adjusted. Okay.